Certainly. Here's the exact transcription of the text you provided. Throughout history, humankind has tapped into energy from nature: fire, wind, water, electricity. But there exists a deeper, more elusive source, one that may not yet be fully acknowledged: the ether, the zero-point field. What if energy could be drawn directly from space itself? What if we could build a device that runs on its own? Let's begin with one of the simplest and most mysterious circuits ever made. The Joule Thief is a compact self-oscillating circuit known for extracting the last drops of power from dead batteries. Using just a transistor, a resistor, and a simple toroidal coil, it can power an LED from as little as zero point 0.5 volts. But to Lawrence Chung, this wasn't the limit. It was an invitation to go further. Chung modified the original circuit by introducing a bifilar coil, two strands of wire laid side by side. He replaced the tiny ferrite ring with a much larger plastic toroid. The wire size? Upgraded to standard household thickness. The result? A high-frequency oscillator pulsing at around 280,000 cycles per second. Chung named this the Fleet circuit, a system that not only oscillates but creates a feedback loop, enabling it to potentially amplify and recirculate its own power. To test the circuit's real potential, Chung, or rather, an independent builder, set up two identical 12-volt lead-acid batteries. One powered the Fleet circuit, the other received charge from it. After hours of running, they swapped the batteries, then swapped again. At the end, both batteries had more usable power than when they started. And considering that lead-acid batteries are only 50% efficient, this result defies traditional physics. Power had to come from somewhere. This leads us to the ether, an omnipresent field of potential energy. In this model, space is not empty. It vibrates, it resonates. Devices like Fleet might not generate energy, but entrain it. Like striking the right chord on a violin string, a perfectly tuned coil may draw in energy from the radiant structure of space itself. The Fleet is more than an experiment. It's a prototype, a hint of what may become the modern self-powered generator. Small enough to build, simple enough to scale. With only a few transistors, some coiled wire, and a well-designed feedback loop, we might be staring into the future of energy on demand. Want to see the schematics? Read the full report? Click the link below to explore how this circuit was built, how it works, and what it means for our energy future. This isn't just electricity, it's a call to curiosity, a challenge to explore what might lie beyond the wires. Discover the Fleet. Enter the ether.